Hi guys, what I'm going to do in this video is turn one of these, which is a Banksia nut, Banksia seed pod, whatever you want to call them, named after Joseph Banks, who was a horticulturist. And I'm just going to turn a simple mushroom. So I'll just change camera and we'll get on with it. I'll try and keep this video as short as I can. And there it is, already on the lathe. I've already put the tenon on and it's in the chuck. I've still got it between centres and we'll get on and do some turning. Now these things are very hard on the outside, and then once you get down towards the center, see if I can show you, you get all these furry bits in there, and we're trying to get through that into solid a bit further in. So at the moment I'm just shaping the top of the mushroom. Take a little bit more out of here to get a decent shape. There we go, that'll do for the top. And now start shaping the stem. Just going to adjust the tool rest and just come in with my Easy Wood Tools #1 hollower just to get a bit of an undercut. So I'll just finish off the top. Take the tailstock back, I don't really need that now. Right, get it sanded up. Starting off with 120. Then 220. Watch your fingers when you're doing this. Stick on some sanding sealer. Wipe off the excess on that. I'm just using a stiff brush just to get rid of any bits of paper that I might have gotten in there. I'm going to use some Yorkshire grit. Now you probably will find that you get bits of Yorkshire grit in all of the holes in this. So you can use the brush again to clean them out. Or you can use an air gun. Speed up a bit now. So as you can see, there's loads of Yorkshire grit actually got stuck in the holes in there. So I'll just grab my air gun. Just to blow that out. You'll probably get the same thing happening. I'm going to put microcrystalline wax on this. You'll probably get the same thing happening with the wax. Give that a quick buff up. quick wipe over. Bring the tool rest back up and just get it parted off. And there we have it. Just a quick little project with a Banksia nut, Banksia pod, whatever you want to call them. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next one.